Insurance providers throughout the country have countered the cost of severe storms by raising the average premium by 13% this year.
The dollars, the actuarial cost is based on claims frequency and severity. And so if you're a person who is outside of that scope, then you're gonna have to go somewhere else to find a high-risk plan, if you will, in order to insure your property.
Private insurers stay competitive in areas like South Bend, but in states hit the hardest by hurricanes and flooding, the market can't sustain private firms and the state has to provide its own plan.
There are different factors that are driving rates. What is the frequency of losses due to weather in our area? What is the crime frequency in our area? What is the cost to rebuild a property? Those kinds of things.
Locally, the strongest cause of a rise in premiums is the flood risk in Goshen, which spills into Elkhart and South Bend. One city forester says preserving the floodplains can mitigate this type of damage.
Those floodplains were scoured by rivers and streams over thousands of years, creating a natural place for flood waters to move into.
Several cities in northern Indiana are increasing the tree canopy with grants from the federal government, and more coverage above means less flooding below.
We've been lucky enough here in Goshen to keep significant portions of our floodplain free of significant development. There are parks, but those have been adapted to have to allow flooding to happen. But there are some other parts of town where there is important infrastructure in place within the floodplain, and so that's part of our growing awareness.
Kyland Hall, WSBT-22 News.
Thanks for watching. Here's another story you may like, and subscribe to the WSBT-22 YouTube channel.